Learn Korean language. Baro afka Koreanka. This lesson about words. Uyu means milk. Kopi means coffee. Kopi means coffee. Cha means tea. Cha means tea. Saram means human or person. Saram means human or person. Tinggu means friend. Tinggu means friend. Haksing means a student. Gabang means bag. Gabang means bag. Jeep means house or home. Samoshi means office. Hagyu means school. Gunwon means park. Gunwon means park. Shimbal means shoes.